Let me show you two different things that you can do if you can't put your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into pairing mode. By default, when you actually open the case, they should automatically put themselves into a pairing mode. But yeah, for example, what if the device you are trying to connect can't find them, and also if you go in settings, it simply doesn't find. So then to place it in a pairing mode, forced pairing mode, I mean, you simply press and hold this button here on the back of it. You'll see what happens for maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. I see it will start to blink like this. And again, this is a forced pairing mode. So again, simply do this and you should be able to find them then. So what if, for example, you actually try to do this, but you maybe do not even see any lights here? Then the most common issue is you might simply have run out of the battery juice in your case. So it's as easy as that. Also, for example, if you have stored these somewhere for a very long time, obviously simply the battery in the case might be depleted. Even though maybe the earphones are working, doesn't mean the case actually has got still battery into it. What I suggest to do is simply pop it on a charger essentially, maybe wait for like 2 or 3 minutes. So again, if it's like fully discharged, it has been sitting somewhere for a very long time, it might take a while basically before the case will even start working, even after you plugged in the charger. So maybe literally wait for like 5 minutes. And again, with the like charger inside, also see if you press and hold the button. As see, also you can place it in a pairing mode, and also you can pair them, yeah, even if it's in the charger as well. Good luck.